So today I'm going to be making a sausage dog, or something like one, out of bits of steel that I have left around here. So here are the bits of steel that I've just cut, still a bit warm. So that's going to be the leg, or that's one leg. That's another leg. So you would think from a sausage dog, short stubby legs. So got 4 of those. Then I did this for the neck. So just a bit of threaded steel. That for the head, nose. And this is the body. It's not really like a sausage dog. It's flat, but that's all I had around. So yeah, I'm going to be using the MIG. Go. So that's 4-legged dog. She stands up good. Good. So now to the neck. So I've just got that threaded, like I said before. Like that, right about there. I got this thicker bit of threaded one, so I'm going to be using that for the head. So that'll just go right about there. Right there. But I'm going to go sideways, so I could have it long ways, but it's going to be looking that way. So here I attempt to do the eyes. So I've cut out threaded steel, thin bits of it. Try to weld them together to put them on the head. She gets stuck here somewhere. Yep, like that. Yeah. Snap it off. Then attempt at it again. The eyes here were probably the most difficult part of the project. Add to the collection. And leave a comment down below if you guys got any other ideas that you would like me to make or weld up. Thank you very much.